Okay, this is Andy with Fat Man's Garage. Just got in right from Summit Racing a Traxxon Topside Creeper. This is the model 3-700. We'll get you more specs and details on it. Gonna shoot a real quick video, unboxing video and assembly video. So kind of join along with us on that and we'll let you know how things go. First challenge is see how fast we can get the box open.
We got to do it again, Bobby, so we'll see. There we go. You need the directions.
I don't know. They won't need the directions until they're halfway through and it's put together wrong and have to take it back apart.
Let's see what we got. Lay it out.
Now this thing's pretty heavy too. It come in, it's supposed to be 80 plus pounds, packaged up. Looks like everything's packaged well. We've got a 6.0 Power Stroke project we're working on right now that this will really come in handy on. Like everything's zip tied in there nice, keep everything secure, bouncing around. Alright, so we're back again, checking out how Do It Again Bobby and Thunder, as his assistant, are doing, getting this together. Think like it's going pretty well. Shaping up here. So far all the parts have been there, the directions have been great. Having no issues at all. We'll check back here in a few minutes. And once Thunder gets a little more nap time in. Okay, we've got everything finished. Thunder's just now waking up from his nap. But there is the Topside Creeper all the way up. Go on up it, Bobby, and to show us how sturdy things are. We'll let you be our guinea pig first. You can see it goes up really far, provide a lot of support. Should make it easier working on that 6.0, that Super Duty 6.0, and other projects as well. Walk around. Everybody a close up on this. He's already got it dirty now. But it's even got a hose management system, which are basically these little screw pieces here, but that keeps your air hose and any tools or anything like that. You've got line cords going up there from scratching the truck or the vehicle you're working on. It's really solid. We will go through and do a test on this and get you a further review as we work on our 6.0 Super Duty. Thank you.